Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a file or folder hidden in Windows 11. So first you're going to need a file or folder that you want to hide. I want to hide this text document that's on my desktop. So first go to your File Explorer and go to wherever your file is located. Mine is located on my desktop. So once you're there, right click on the file and go to Properties, General, Hidden, right here, and hit Apply. And OK. So now it is gone. If you want to get it back, all you have to do is go to View, Show, Hidden Items, and it'll be right there. And here it is. So I hope that video helps you. Have a good day. Bye.